Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to a new vlog. What is up? I hope you guys are doing great. I honestly don't even know what day it is. I'm just so out of it, but it's been such a busy week. I just finished up a half day at work. I just worked from 6 to 12, so it was a fun little half day. That's why I didn't vlog too much this morning, and now I'm done and I'm ready for a productive afternoon. It's gonna be so busy. I have to film a swimsuit try on haul, which is already up by the time you guys have seen this, and then I'm heading over to my parents for dinner, which is so excited to say that today's video is sponsored by Bag Smart. They were super kind and sent me one of their bags to try out, and I've had it for about a month now, and I'm so excited to show you guys it. It is just the nicest backpack I've ever seen in my life, so I'm going to show you guys that really quick. And I'm really excited because we actually just got the announcement that we're going to be going back into office next week, so I'm so excited to bring it back to work with me. Obviously I've been working from home for a little bit, but I'm really excited to start bringing it into the office with me. So I'm going to show you guys that really quick, and we're going to have a really fun, productive day. I have a ton of organizing I want to do. I'm sick of my house looks. Today's the second day that pumpkin spice has been out, so I have a feeling that I might have a second. Nobody judge me. So yeah, but we already have our to-do list and everything ready for the day. So I'm gonna show you guys the backpack that I've been using. We've been using it for everything, literally, to go over to like my parents or Matt's parents for dinner, for Stella's stuff, to the cottage. I've been using it for everything. I love how spacious it is, so I'm super excited to show you guys. I know like the best way to show you guys a bag, but I'll show you guys like this. This is what it looks like. It is literally, you guys know I just love like plain black bags. I think it's just like very professional. I'm a big backpack fan for work. So it has a ton of compartments. It has this big one here, which actually fits like shoes and stuff in it here, which I end up putting shoes in it a lot of the time, and it has just like so many pockets, which I love. I need two like water holders because I usually use one for coffee and one for water. Then it just has this cute strap, so you can actually carry it like a bag, which I actually really like for work. And then the inside just fits so much. If you guys want to see what's in my bag, let me know and I can totally film that for you guys. But it fits so much in here. Like I could fit gym clothes in here. I literally have like my purse in here and stuff. It fits so much. It has so many compartments. Most is it has a padded laptop sleeve, which is super important for me because I do bring my personal laptop and my work laptop to work. So it has a laptop sleeve in it. So I really, really love it so much. I've been loving the bag so much. I've been taking it everywhere. It actually makes me excited to go back into the office next week because I have a new bag to use, and I love it. I love it. It has like the purse function and then also has the backpack function. Makes it ideal for work. Anyways, their brand is like all about being trendy while having a work-life balance, and obviously right now it's kind of a bit hard to do that, but I love that. You guys know I have 2 full-time jobs, and now that I'm going back into the office, I'll be doing a lot more like real doubles, like going from hospital to hospital. So it's super important to me to have a bag that I can like carry everything in, including gym stuff and my purse in case I have to go anywhere after. So I really love this bag. It fits everything, which has been so hard for me to find a bag that fits literally my life in it. So I really, really love this bag. And they were also super kind and sent us a UV phone sanitizer, which is just the sweetest thing ever. You guys know Matt and I both worked with COVID patients throughout COVID, and so it was really important for us to have something that we could leave at the front door and like sanitize our phones and our watches and our keys and whatnot. So that's super, super kind of them. I'll have both items linked down below for you guys. Love the UV sanitizer so much. It has a disinfection time of 1 minute, so you do 30 seconds on each side, and you can actually do 80 uses with a single charge. Obviously, you guys know UV kills up to 99.9% of household germs, viruses, and bacteria, and it's free of mercury and chemicals, which we love. Anyways, let me know down below if you guys want to see like a what's in my work bag video. I'd love to do that for you guys. Once again, thank you Bag Smart for sponsoring today's video. I love this bag so much, you guys. I've literally had it for a month and I've used it like every single day for different reasons. Cottage, Stella, work, beach. I love it so much. I bring it to like content shooting days with Chloe. It just fits so much and I love it so much. So once again, thank you guys for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all their links down below for you guys to check out. And okay, next thing I want to do, change out of this sweater because it's really, really hot, and then I'll probably start getting ready so that I can film. We are in the Starbucks drive-thru. Where are we? I know, we're gonna get some puppuccino. And we're in the Starbucks drive-thru and I'm very excited about it. Where are we?
Hey there, how's it going today?
Hi, good, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. What can I get for you?
Today? Yeah, so I'll do a grande nitro, and can I get 1 pump of pumpkin in that, please?
Yeah, so we also have our pumpkin cream flavor.
That's okay, it's way too sweet for me.
That's fair. So just a grande nitro with just 1 pump of pumpkin in there?
Yes, please. And can I also get a puppuccino?
And a puppuccino?
Yeah. So excited for your Starbucks? Are you so excited? She doesn't like being in the car when it's not moving. That's one thing we've noticed. It's okay. You're fine. You're gonna get a treat. Yes. Oh, do you want to look outside? Is that why? You can look outside. Anyway. anyways, like I said, today's gonna be a super productive day. I've had a really rough work week. If you guys just watched my work week, which I just uploaded, it's been really rough. I just had a really off week and I didn't get much done. So today's vlog is probably gonna be more productive than it normally is. And to all the haters out there who think I'm like always productive 24/7, I'm not. My work week is a perfect example of that. But to me, the perfect way to like get back on track and get shit done is to have a super productive day. So that's what we're doing today. We have a lot. Ma'am, you don't need to talk. It's okay. We're getting your puppuccino. We're just gonna have a super de-duper productive day and get a lot done, and I'm really excited about it. I have a baby shower today, which is exciting, my sister-in-law, and then we're gonna have a really productive evening. Ma'am, you are so vocal today. Stella and I had an encounter this morning with a skunk and it was very traumatizing. I took her out at like 6 when she normally gets up, and we don't put her on the leash like in the morning when she goes out because she just kind of stays close by and has her pee spot. So we turned the corner to go back and there's a skunk sitting on our stairs and we were like, ah! So Stella like hid behind a tree and I was trying to fight this thing and I didn't know what to do, so I threw our poop bags at it, and then I think I irritated it more and then it started spraying. Luckily it didn't spray either of us, and I couldn't get it to go away and it just had its tail up and I was like terrified, and we were like in an eye-to-eye confrontation battle and it was a little traumatizing, and poor Stella was so freaked out. She had her tail between her legs, so I let her come back into bed and snuggle. That's our new thing, is obviously she sleeps in the crate throughout the night, probably from like I'd say 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. And then if it's a day that I can sleep in, which is not often, like on the weekend, then she's allowed to come into bed with me. So we slept until 8:30. We got to snuggle with Dad this morning, huh? And now we're at Starbucks. Stella, can I see that? Oh my God, look at your face, Stella. Okay. I just switched it up this morning and get nitro, which I actually never do, and I forgot how good nitro is. I just need the extra kick of caffeine today, you know. But she had half her puppuccino and now she's gonna wait till she gets home because she's making a mess of the car. What is up? Currently like 3. I just finished work and got home from running some errands, and I really wanted to vlog today and just have like a very productive little afternoon with you guys. I've just really been having an off week and I finally have a little motivation burst, and so I figured we would do a fun little productive cleaning, organizing. I have so much stuff to do in this vlog, so I'm really excited. Stella's at my in-laws right now for the afternoon, which is nice. I feel like I literally have a newborn and it's like, oh, the child has gone to be babysat. I have to get everything done. It's literally how it feels to have a puppy. So I have an hour or two to just kind of like get a bunch of stuff done. So I figured I would just vlog it. I have a lot of organizing to do and you guys love those vlogs. So I figured I'd bring you guys along for a little productive afternoon, evening with me, and I'm super excited. I just got home from Walmart and the dollar store, so I'll show you guys what we got, and then we'll make a to-do list and get this fun little afternoon started. Obviously got a pumpkin cream cold brew, except I asked for my healthy version, which is just like a cold brew with a pump of pumpkin, and they gave me a pumpkin cream cold brew with an extra pump of pumpkin, so this shit is sweet. But like, honestly guys, this is the reality of my office right now. It is such a mess. Stella's crate is up here now. This is just like, this is what we're cleaning today. It's disgusting. I have like Halloween stuff there. I have so much in there, and yeah. But I got a Tupperware to use for the Halloween stuff once like it's done. And then I stopped at the dollar store as well and just got a bunch of containers. I love these containers because they're only $2 and they're really big. So our bathroom just needs a lot of organization. So that's what we're gonna do. So I got 4 of those, and then I actually don't really know where I'm gonna use these, but I just like to have them. They're just these like clear ones. These ones are $3. So I just got 2 of those. So we're gonna do as much organizing today as we can. I also bought command strips because I need to take my photos down and put our Halloween frames up, and I'm just gonna replace the strips because they've been up there for a few months. I just got a ton of hangers because they were on sale for $2, which is crazy. And I just need more hangers for fall stuff. Basically the closet in here is like, I call it my PR closet. I have like clothes I need to shoot in and just like so much random packages and stuff. So I want to get some more hangers for like in here for like my fall stuff. So did that. Alrighty guys, I just finished up filming. I have to move my mirror back, but I just finished filming and taking my thumbnail photos. So check that off the to-do list. And now we're just gonna get to organizing and cleaning. But first things first, we need to clean this office up because I just turned it into a mess. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. And then I think we're gonna tackle the bathroom. So let's do it. His office is pretty clean besides like the containers obviously, but we're gonna fix that. Next step is, I don't know what it is. I love Matt, he knows this, but he loves to keep empty boxes for no reason. So we're gonna break all those down and get rid of them. There's like just boxes everywhere that don't need to be here and just organize this. And like this, I don't know what it is. It needs some love. So we're gonna go ahead and organize. Progress. This is just gonna be a mess for a while, but I'd rather this be messy than this because everyone kind of like sees this, or like at least my vlogs and stuff. So a lot of this is just stuff that needs to go to like Salvation Army, but I just haven't had the chance yet, or bags, and I don't know what to do with them yet. And then that's just like a lot of like window stuff for our AC, so I'm just gonna keep that in there. So we're just gonna shut that. But I basically just want like this part to be a little bit more presentable, and obviously I want to get 2 containers that fit side by side to put stuff in, because it would make a really nice like storage section if we had all matching baskets. When baskets don't match, it really bothers me. So I think I might get like wicker baskets and do like 2 and then a shelf of books and then 2 more here. But we have like puzzles, Matt's gym stuff. That's gonna be books. I just have to get more from downstairs, and then that's like miscellaneous stuff. So we definitely have a lot of room to use it to organize, but I just want to like clean it up for now. And then I have to take all this outside. But guys, we're taking 2 of these and heading to the extremely messy bathroom. This is just real life, and I just want to be super real with you guys. This is what the bathroom looks like right now. I want to figure out where to use this. We have this for our spices and we don't use it anymore. So if anyone can let me know what to use this for, that would be great, because I have no idea what to use this for. Underneath is just like a mess, honestly. So I'm not like 100% sure how I like it out here, but I do think it looks a lot sleeker than having like everything out. I don't know, let me know what you think. It definitely, I would like to get a black one ideally, but I actually don't think it looks too bad, and I actually don't mind it. So that's that for now. And then I just like literally put this here. I'm gonna fill it up with stuff eventually, but for now, she's just sitting here all pretty. It's not like crazy, but all these like airtight containers, I want to move them up here and then move all this stuff into a container there, just to make it like more appealing, and then just like clean this up a little bit. She's a mess, honestly, guys. here. I think I'm just gonna put everything into a container to make it look nicer, but that's all I'm really gonna do. I just picked up. It's a puppy, Stella. Hi. Alrighty guys, I just picked Stella up from Matt's parents. We're actually headed to my parents now. Figure why not, since Matt's working. So I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog the rest of the night, but we are going to go and see my parents. Matt has the hammock in the car, so she's gonna have to sit with me up front, but she sits at the bottom down here. Hi big girl, can you do a sit for me? Sit. Good girl. But yeah, she normally will sit down there.